Hello friends, it's Monday. Welcome to Mondays with Marvin. We have Marvin today. My name is Lisa Corridore and we have my son Andrew here. Can you say hello to everyone, Andrew?
Hello.
We are excited today because we are going to make some candied grapes. Some of them are going to be sour, some of them are going to be extra sweet. We can't wait to see what happens. So Marvin, we are going to set you on the side so you don't get all dirty. Is that okay? All right, here we go. So Marvin's going to watch us. What you will need are some clean grapes and some toothpicks, Jello, and some little cups. So what we're going to do is, I also have a pan here with some parchment paper, but we're going to put that over on the side for right now. We are going to take our cups here and we are going to dump our flavored Jello into that. So go ahead, Andrew. Go ahead and grab a box. And all you need to do is just shake it down and then dump it in. This one is raspberry. What flavor do you have, Andrew?
Green apple.
Ooh, green apple. I bet you that one's sour. This one is lemon. What color do you think it's going to be if it's lemon? If you said yellow, you were right. Ooh, I can smell them. Can you smell them, Andrew? Ooh,
Yeah.
Did you see that face? Some of them are sour. Ooh, we have some berry blue Jello. How about, you know what? Okay, never mind, you look good. Let's dump the blue in the blue. I think that sounds like a good idea. What flavor do you have, Andrew?
Orange.
Orange, yummy. Okay, so we are just going to put these on the side now. This is kind of fun. We get to take our toothpicks, and here's a toothpick for you. We grab a grape, and then yep, that's right, Andrew, we're just gonna stick it in there. I'm going to take my water and I'm going to dump it in this bowl because what you need to do is you take your grape, you get it wet, and then you just roll it in your Jello. Then once you have it covered, see how this one's covered? I just set it right here. And how about we make the colors, like we do red, all the blues together, all the oranges, all that. What do you think, Andrew? Does that sound good to you?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put this in the middle for us. And we'll get these going. Do you want to? All right, well, so now we are going to take our yummy grapes that are all over the place, I don't know if you can see. Oh, they all fell. So we're going to put them in the refrigerator for about an hour so they become nice and cold, and so the Jello will like really stick to them. All right, see you in an hour, friends. Friends, we're back. It's been about an hour. Our grapes have been solidifying in the refrigerator, and we're ready to try them. Are you ready, Marvin? All right, we are going to give Marvin a yellow one since he likes bananas. So we're going to give him a yellow one. What flavor are you going to try?
I'll go for an orange.
An orange, and I will go for a red. It says red, so I'll go for a red one. You ready? Cheers! Cheers! Andrew, is yours sour?
Yeah.
Mine is sour too. How about yours, Marvin? Ooh! Marvin's saying his is sour. Boys and girls, if you like sour things, you'll love these sour grapes. What do you think, Andrew? Do you need some water? Andrew needs some water. That's how sour they are. Enjoy, friends. Have a great rest of your Monday. Bye.
See?